Hello and welcome to the Tourplan NX How-To webinar. I'm your host, Simon, and today I will show you how to send your booking from Tourplan through to Wetu and connect your booking in order to generate a digital itinerary. Let's get started. So what we will cover today is how to generate your Tourplan message. We will then log into wetu.com to access our dashboard. I will talk you through the steps on how to use the connector screen. We will then connect to your booking. We will have a look at service mapping and location mapping, and then finally entering into the itinerary created screen. So step one is to generate your Tourplan message. So what you want to do is create a quote in Tourplan, or you can use an existing booking for testing purposes. Open up that booking in FITs and then go ahead and select operations and accounts. Once you are there, you can select documentation. Once you have done that, you can then click on the generate message button that will appear. Select booking XML message and then hit the email button and wait a few minutes while it sends your booking from Tourplan through to Wetu. So let's have a look at that live in action. I will be using the following booking in Tourplan as a test. So I've accessed my test booking. I'm now going to click over here with these three tiers. I will go through to operations and accounts, then all the way down to documentation. Once you've done that, then you'll see the green generate message button appear. Click on that button. This window will pop up where you can select your document type. So the document type you want to select is a booking XML message. Your document format will be the message template that we have previously created. So I will go ahead and select that. I then click on OK. And you will see that your booking will open up in a review and send document. This is XML script that you will see on your screen. Do not edit any of this. Just go ahead and click on the blue email button. Once you've done that, it will send your booking from Tourplan straight through to Wetu. Great, so step two is to log into wetu.com. You will log into Wetu and enter your username and password to access your Wetu dashboard. Once done, you can select the connect button, which will allow you to view all of your sent Tourplan bookings in Wetu. Now that we've logged into our Wetu dashboard using our username and password, we want to navigate down to the connect button. The connect button syncs all of your external bookings from Tourplan through into Wetu. When we click on that, the following screen will appear: your Wetu/Tourplan inbound connector screen. Let's go through how to use your connector screen. I will start with showing you the different ways that you can filter and search for your bookings. You can search for your bookings using the following methods: filter, name, and reference. You can filter by the date range, search according to your booking name, and search according to the booking reference. This is what it looks like on your connector screen. Your filter. So this is filtering by your date range. You can search for bookings sent within the last 5 days, 14, 30, all the way up until 365 days. You can search for your booking using the name. You can either enter in the name of your booking or click on name for it to filter it within alphabetical order. You can search for your booking using the reference column. Enter in your booking reference number and click enter. Step 4, connect to your booking. Select connect and your mapping screen containing all of your services for that booking will open. So once you have sent a booking through from Tourplan, found it using one of the 3 filtering search methods. You can go under the Action button and click on the Connect button. What that will do is open up your booking and all of the service lines in it. On the left-hand side, you will have your 17-digit option code that comprises of your location, service type, service code, and option code, your supplier name, supplier description, and supplier comments. On the right-hand side is your mapping column. Step 5, service mapping. The mapping column will show what the services are mapped as, i.e. accommodation activities. If there are services that still need to be mapped, the mapping column will show the Map Now button. My first service is a travel service. It's a scheduled transfer from Cape Town to the city. I will go ahead and click on Map Now. The following window appears and asks me what I want to map my service as. I click on the drop-down and select Travel. Once I've selected Travel, my transport mode will ask what type of travel. I know that it's a scheduled transfer, so I select Transfer, and under route label, select Scheduled and Save. I've now mapped my travel service. For my accommodation service, I will click on Map Now, select Accommodation, click in the Wetu Accommodation block, and select Cape Grace. I will map down to my room basis, bed and breakfast, drinks basis, tea and coffee only, and room name, luxury room, and click Save. I've now mapped my accommodation service, and I'm able to proceed to the next screen. Step 6 is your location mapping. The location mapping screen will only appear if you have entered pickup and drop-off locations into Tourplan. These usually pertain to your travel services. All you need to do is link your CPT location to the Wetu Google Maps location, Cape Town International Airport. You can also choose to skip this step and manually adjust the locations within travel details in the itinerary builder. This is what your location mapping screen will look like. A list of your locations will appear on the left. These are the locations that you have entered into your pickup and drop-off fields in Tourplan. On the right-hand side, Wetu wants you to map it to the exact location within Google Maps. If you're using Cape Town International within your booking as a pickup or drop-off location, simply tell Wetu that it is Cape Town International Airport. You can then proceed. Step 7, Itinerary Created Screen. Once all services are mapped, the system will generate your itinerary and the Itinerary Created screen will open, allowing you to enter into the itinerary builder. Great! You have successfully sent your booking from Tourplan through to Wetu. You found it in your connector screen, you've connected to it, you've ensured that all of your services were mapped, as well as location mapping. You can now enter into the itinerary builder. Thank you so much for joining me today. I look forward to our next session.